How to unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unfollow people on Instagram who don't follow you back. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile, at the top you'll see two options, followers and following. So simply tap on following to see the list of people that you are following. And here, once you see the interface like this, you need to check if the people you are following you back. For example, I'll tap on this profile and open the following list. Now here, look for your account in the following list, and if your account isn't there, it means they are not following you. Unfortunately, there is no automatic feature that will show who isn't following you back, so you need to manually check each profile. And once you have checked that, you can simply unfollow the people who don't follow you back on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.